Imagine this. You're stuck in a freezing wilderness, miles from civilization, with the temperature dropping fast. The wind is howling, the chill is biting, and the snow is relentless. You're alone, isolated, and frigid. The sun is setting, and you're feeling the cold creep into your bones. This isn't just a winter wonderland gone wrong. It's a fight for survival in the harshest of conditions. In such a situation, a well-prepared cold weather survival kit could mean the difference between life and death. Being prepared isn't just about having the right gear, it's about knowing how to use it. Now, we all may have the fanciest survival kit out there, but if we can't navigate our way through it, it's as good as a pile of rocks. You see, it's not just about having a thermal blanket or a fire starter in your kit. It's about understanding the science behind staying warm, knowing how to build a shelter or start a fire. Imagine yourself in the middle of a snowstorm with the temperature dropping rapidly. You've got your gear, sure, but do you know how to make the best use of it? Do you know how to layer your clothing to retain body heat, or how to find or create shelter to protect yourself from the elements? That's why preparation is so crucial. It's about arming yourself with knowledge and practice. You've got to familiarize yourself with your gear, test it out, learn from your mistakes, and adapt. Because when you're out there fighting the cold, it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. Remember, knowledge is power, and in a cold weather survival situation, it could save your life. So, what should you have in your cold weather survival kit? Let's break it down. First off, a fire starter is a must. This isn't just about keeping warm, although that's a big part of it. A fire can also be used for cooking, boiling water, and as a signal for help. There are various types of fire starters out there, like matches, lighters, or ferrocerium rods. Choose one that you're comfortable using and make sure to pack plenty of it. Next, an emergency blanket, also known as a space blanket. These lightweight, compact blankets reflect up to 90% of your body heat back to you. It's like having a personal, portable heater that doesn't require any fuel. High-calorie food bars are another essential. When you're battling the cold, your body burns through calories faster than usual. These bars are designed to deliver a quick and convenient energy boost. They're lightweight, easy to pack, and have a long shelf life. Water purification tablets are also crucial. In a survival situation, you can't afford to get sick from contaminated water. These tablets are an easy way to ensure any water you find is safe to drink. A first aid kit is another must-have. Accidents can happen, especially in harsh conditions. A good kit will have bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, medical tape, and pain relief medication. A multi-tool is like having a toolbox in your pocket. It can be a knife, a can opener, a screwdriver, and more. It's a versatile piece of equipment that can help you with a wide range of tasks. Lastly, a headlamp. In the cold, the nights can be long and dark. A headlamp gives you the ability to use both hands while still having a light source. Look for one that's waterproof and has a long battery life. With these essentials in your kit, you're well equipped to face the harsh cold. Having the right gear is just the first step. Knowing how to use it is the real game changer. So you've got your cold weather survival kit ready. Great. But knowing how to use these tools effectively could mean the difference between life and death. Let's delve into some practical tips. Starting a fire in snowy conditions can be a challenge. Your fire starter kit is your best friend here. First, clear an area of snow down to the ground. Gather dry materials for tinder like bark or grass and use your fire starter to ignite it. Add progressively larger pieces of wood to build your fire, and remember, patience is key. Next, let's talk about your emergency blanket. Don't underestimate this shiny piece of material. It's designed to reflect your body heat back to you, providing essential warmth. Wrap it around you snugly, minimizing any gaps where heat could escape. Finally, water purification. You've got your purification tablets, but how do you use them? Simply fill your container with the cleanest water you can find, add the recommended amount of tablets, and wait. It's crucial to wait the specified time before drinking to ensure all harmful bacteria are killed. Remember, in a survival situation, your skills and knowledge are your best tools. Stay prepared, stay safe.